I'm Jane, and this is another 50 seconds of what makes me happy video. So please stay tuned for something pretty awesome. I have 50 seconds on my phone, and as soon as I push this button, I'm going to tell you about what makes me happy. So, on Rex, get set, go. Work again. You know what makes me happy? Chocolate milk. That's right, chocolate milk. You know why? Because it's chocolate milk. I mean, it's good for you, kinda, but it's better than white milk. It's got chocolate in it, unless you don't like chocolate. I got a friend who doesn't like chocolate. Anyway, but chocolate milk to me is amazing. I love to get it in the calf, and I give myself a big old cup of chocolate milk. I mean, it's moms and dads okay with chocolate milk, and you can get it in any high school, elementary school, or college. I mean, it's just right there with the white milk. But this stuff's made of chocolate. I mean, if you want the benefits of milk, might as well put some chocolate in it, because it'll make you happy. Because chocolate milk. Yep. Anyway, that was 50 seconds of what makes me happy. Does chocolate milk make you happy? Do you like chocolate milk? Or do you like white milk? Please tell me. I need to know. Anyway, also, if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please change that ASAP, because we're getting close to that 100-point mark. By 100 points, I mean we need 63 more, as in we only have 37 of you on board. But that's okay. If we get 100 of them, my friend Annabelle's getting a t-shirt. I think I told her that. Maybe. Have I told you? Anyway, so, and another friend is getting another t-shirt, because we love t-shirts on the Jane Hogan channel. Yeah. And if you haven't seen that video of me giving Tova a t-shirt, I'll link it somewhere in around here. Yeah. Anyway, so, if you watch that video, go ahead, because we love t-shirts on this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, because sharing is caring, and it can bring other people to my channel. Comment, like, do all that fun stuff, and above all else, have a blessed day. See you later, potaters.